Okay, last thing I'd like to show everybody is the website that goes along with the app. And you can see the URL for our website. This website is not a public website yet. It's new.saveon-groceries.com. And this is exactly what you need to type, new.saveon-groceries.com. And in here you've got public information, so you can see more details about how the app works, and you can see information on list building and store selection and coupons and specials and running SaveOn. But what I'd like to show everybody is the private area. The private area inside our website. So you would simply go up here to log in, click on login, and type the credentials that you created for yourself when you got the app. So put in your email and your password. And this takes you to a private area of the website that has been created just for you. And you can see in this private area on the website, we replicate functionality that exists in the app. We also allow you to do some things that you can't do within the app. So on here, you'll see I've just begun and I haven't used the app yet. So you can see that I've got, I'll have my savings right here, and you'll see what your total savings are for the last 4 weeks here, and you'll see the average savings for other users. As we get users, we'll start to see these numbers change. If you scroll down just a little bit, extra savings, the extra savings account, if you open this up, click on this little box here, and this is the extra savings that we talked about. So every time you accept an extra savings offer, that information is captured here in your private area of the website. You can see that I accepted that Starbucks coffee offer, so this is good for $2. So I've got $2 pending in my account. However, I didn't send in a receipt because I wasn't able to take a picture on this simulator, so I don't have a receipt. But if I did have a receipt, then you would see the status that would say in review. And once we receive your receipt, we will approve that, and then you'll see it say approved in this column, and you'll see at the bottom a total of the dollars that are available for you to cash out, or the dollars that are pending. Since I have got nothing approved yet, I've got $21 in cash back that's pending, nothing available. You're able to redeem this money through a check, which we will mail to your house, or through your PayPal account. And you would be able to log in to your own PayPal account and have this money transferred into that account. Some of the other things you could do on this website, if you go to lists, you can see any active lists, and you can see a history of every list you've created will be here. You can open up that list, and you'll see, just like it was on your phone, here are all those items on our practice list. You can run SaveOn just like we did on the phone, and you'll get the exact same results just like we did on the phone. Now what you can do from the website, however, is email this list, or you can print this list if you'd prefer to work in a paper format. Now another thing you can do on the website is to create a new list. So just like the app, you can type the name of the list, you can save it, and you can create a list. And that list, when it's created on the website, will automatically be replicated on your phone. So you'll go to the SaveOn app on your phone, and you will see the list that you've just created on the website. One other thing worth noting is preferences. And the SaveOn app is a smart app. Every time you use the SaveOn app, every time you tell us what brands you like, every time you change a brand from something we've recommended to a different brand, we track that, and we keep track of your preferences. And we allow you to come here within the website and see what we've learned about you. We also allow you here to change your preferences proactively. So you can come and identify in the key categories that you shop all the brands you like, and you could identify the brands that you don't like. And we will never recommend brands that you don't like. But we've got two categories of preferences: general preferences, which are big, broad things that help us make general assumptions about what you like. So maximize my savings, we're looking at all sizes of products for the best deals. If you say yes, well, okay, then we are going to look at big sizes, small sizes. We're going to look across every size of product. Now, if you're in a small household, that may not be a good rule for you. So you could say no. And instead, you really want to just have the middle-sized brands or the smaller-sized brands. But this allows us to understand in a somewhat global way what you like across every category that you select. And we also allow you to set your preferences specifically. So you can look at all the items you put on your list frequently. You can look at all the items by browsing every category in the grocery store. And you can also search for items, and just type in, just like you created your shopping list, you could type in a word or a category name or a brand, and it would bring that brand back to you, and you could then select your preferences there. And that's, those are the most important things. You, of course, can check and change your stores that you've selected, your favorite stores here, just like you can on the app. You just simply type in your zip code or the zip code where you're located, and you would see the list of stores, and you'd be able to make changes and edit and adapt that list. You can change your club cards, and you can look at your profile. So if you need to change something, your email address, if you'd like to tell us some more information about yourselves, about your family size, about your gender, things that may help us select the right products for you, you can come here to your profile area and do it. So that's it, everybody. Thanks for sitting through this tutorial. We really appreciate your help, and we really, really, really look forward to your feedback. Have fun playing with SaveOn.